Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Just a Gearhead. So today we're going to do that rear corner on the passenger side of the Ranchero. I did not have a lot of time to get out here this week to work on it, so it's kind of rainy and ugly for a bunch of the week too. So yeah, I'll take you over there and show you what we're going to do. Okay, so what we got to do is blend that corner into that panel, like we did on the driver's side. First we got to get rid of all this Bondo here. So, okay, that's not going to work. Guess I'll have to get the grinder. Well, there you go. This big chunk. Alright, well, that was a lot of Bondo and stuff in there, and there's not much metal actually. So, this is all twisted up here. This actually has to cut out a little bit in here. And then I'm going to probably just build a piece that goes from here down, I think. Yeah, so that's wonderful. So I'm probably going to have to build this in two pieces. Build this face first. So that where I want it to end, and then build the blend piece here. So this is, yeah. Alright, so this is the piece I had from, well, the cardboard piece that I had from making the other side. So it's about the right shape, but it's going to come longer. I measured on the other side. The other side's about 3/4 of an inch longer than this. So all I'm going to do is basically trace this one onto a piece of cardboard, double check to make with a little bit longer tip, find out how long I need the tip to be, and then I'll cut the piece, and then I'll come in here and weld and cut and make it fit. I'll probably go a little bit wider because I'm going to have to roll this corner a bit. Yeah, so first off I'll just kind of trace this one. Bring the tip further down, and then we'll go cut it out. I think what I'm going to do is actually make this longer and give this a bend, so I'll create a start my corner, which should be here-ish, because that'll be in line with that. So yeah, we'll go make this little piece. So yeah, I'll go out like that. Once I cut that, and bend this. Alright, I'll go do that. I traced the piece of cardboard onto the metal, so we're going to quickly cut this out. Then my cord will reach. We have our piece, roughly the shape we want, and yeah, that'll work out there pretty well. So what I'm going to do is kind of give myself some dot lines to cut on real quick, where I roughly want it to cut. Probably just go right along there. And then I'll have to get some pliers and pull this out a little, I think. So after some fiddling and bending and whatnot and fighting with clamps, I've got this pretty much where I want it. So now we're going to grab a welding helmet and tack it in, and then we'll start figuring out this piece. I might actually cut this piece out and just make a whole new one. We will see. That's mostly tacked in. So now, and create this piece. Alright, I'll get back to you. So I measured with the cardboard, cut a piece of metal out, and now we just got to do some shaping and weld it in. Okay, try that again. No, third time's the charm. Okay, I don't know how other YouTubers do that, but I guess I'll just have to do it the hard way. Okay, I got it tacked in place now, so I'm going to start welding and cutting. Okay, I'm not sure if the camera cut out there for a minute, but this is all kind of cut and tacked together. It's a little ugly, but hey, what the heck. And now we're going to try to cut and fold this corner over. Well, there's a corner built, mostly welded up. It's not perfect, but I'm pretty happy with it the way it came out. It's a heck of a lot better than what was in there before. So yeah, I'm not sure what we'll move on to next. So I'm going to have to do a patch there, and one over here. There's a couple other in the bed of the Ranchero that we're going to need to get patched. Some up there. But because of this one and that one, I need to drop the gas tank because it's right under here. And I maybe should have already done that when I was doing the quarter panels, but I didn't, so now I'm going to. There's a little access panel there, which I took off. It's just a handful of screws. And then this is a rubber connector I actually replaced last year when I first got the car. So I've already got it loosened off. So I just need to pop that up a little bit. And then there's the fuel line and the sending line, and I think it's just a bolt or two to get the straps off, and then it'll drop out. I do not know exactly how much fuel I have in it though. So here we are underneath. There's one nut there, and there's one right over there. Right there. Those hold on the straps. And then we slide ourselves up here. And up here we have the fuel line and the connections for the sender for the fuel gauge. So yeah, this should just pull off like that. Get that out. And there we go. Okay, that's off to the side. So now I just got to go get a screwdriver to disconnect that and some WD-40 for those nuts over there. Alright, I just realized that what I did up top was kind of useless in that access panel in the bed. Because I still need to undo these and disconnect it here, because that goes into the metal panel there. And yeah, so didn't need to undo that part in the bed. I guess I'll go put that back together while I let the WD-40 soak in. That might not have been the best way to do that, but it's out.
Okay, but I'll warn you now, I like these jeans.
Yeah, well.
Okay, I'm doing what?
You're holding the gas can and the funnel.
Okay, try very hard. Oh, this is gonna make a mess.
Probably. Oh, geez, there's more in here than I thought. It's a little yellower than I like too.
Well. And it smells lovely.
Okay, how much is it?
Half, maybe?
Okay. Oop. Oh, no more welding today. Well, the outside of the tank is rusty and dirty, of course. Inside didn't look too bad. There's about 3/4 of that jug in there. So some of it was old gas, and then I had added new gas, so it was kind of this dark yellow color, which is not great. So not sure what I'll use that for. But yeah, might reuse it, might not. We'll see. But I'll definitely have to clean the outside of this and whatnot before I put it back in. But now there's a giant pile of gasoline on the ground. I thought I filmed an outro for this video, but it seems it's gone missing. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. If you guys want merchandise, please check out the link to my Redbubble page in the description. And if you have liked, commented, subscribed in the past, or merchandise in the past, I thank you again, and we'll see you next time.